guys. Apparently we're in the tornado watch. Yes, my dogs are out. I don't care. But like, look at the sky. It's low-key pretty. The sky is like low-key pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my, that's right. What do you think about this? Oh, the tree is... Oh my god. Bruh, this is crazy. Yes, this is my brother. Hi. Hi. This is pretty. Bro, look at this. Oh. We're looking at the sky now. No, he didn't. He didn't. I blocked him.
Is that rain or is that it?
That's rain.
Oh my.
Oh my god. Yo. In the red bathroom.